Hey you guys, it's your girl KaylaB and I'm all hands. This is Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. Yes, I already did my Ipsy, now it's Ipsy Glam Bag Plus time. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus of July 2021. I know, it says Discover Yourself Ipsy. This has been a long month. A lot of trials, tribulations, a lot of craziness. I am going to go on a live at the end of the month just talking about it. Crazy. But right now, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus time. So let's get into it. Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, you get 5 full-size items. You get it, and it's over. Your bag is supposed to be either $120 or over $120 worth of products for $25 plus tax. So it would be like 27 something. Just like BoxyCharm. But BoxyCharm is 125 and this is 120. And yeah, 5 full-size items. And this you can have the add-ons actually in your bag. Also, you choose 3 products out of the 5. They pick 2 for you and you pick 3. They give you a whole bunch of choices. And yeah, you basically build your best bag. So let's get into this. This is what the bag looks like. It's a drawstring bag. It says Stay Golden on the top. It's upside down. Everything is upside down. I guess like it's supposed to be like this. Like that. Okay, the first item. Ooh, I know. I got some add-ons, so I'll let you know if I find an add-on. The first item is one of the items that I chose. This is Zoe Ayla. This is a silky satin pillowcase. I love satin pillowcases. I needed a new pillowcase, but I didn't want to buy it. So, bam, in there. It says reduce wrinkles and split ends. And it's like a nice beigey color. It's just like a little pillowcase. This pillowcase retails for $33.99. So like $34. Again, silk pillowcases are very, very expensive. And I just don't want to buy another pillowcase, okay? So, yeah. I just, got it from Ipsy. It was between this and the Wander Beauty eye mask. I'm so glad I got my eye mask in BoxyCharm because I needed an eye mask and I was kind of regretting like a little tiny bit of getting this. But now I'm like, yeah, I got eye masks. I got what I needed and that's that. And I'm so excited to be playing with this. The next item is from Fenty. This is an uncuffed. This is a liquid lipstick. This retails for $25. And this is what it looks like. And that is what it's swatched like. I bet you with a brown liner, it will be way much better. And less pink, because it's supposed to be mauve, but mauve to me is like a little bit more purpley. I mean, this does have like a little purple undertones, but it's just more deeper for me. That's how I think about mauve. Kind of wish I didn't want to swatch it because I probably would have sold it on Mercari if I didn't swatch it. Oh well, next item. It's between the Fenty product and another product that I actually bought on add-ons and I probably should have just did that. But I wanted a Fenty product. Because I was like, once I got the chocolate liquid lip, I was like, let me get this liquid lip. Should have never got it. Kind of regretting it. But I know someone that probably would like this color. The next item is Mented Mauve Over. This is lip gloss. You guys know I love Mented lip glosses. I had to get it. When I saw it, it's $15, even though it's not the color that I probably would have wanted. Probably wanted brown baby, but another mauve shade. Yay. This is what it looks like. And then that is what, see, that's a mauve to me. that is. Not that. That. This is a mauve. This is my mauve. This is what I was talking about. I regret getting the Fenty one, but I do not regret getting the Mented. And then I bought my add-on part. I'm gonna show you the add-on later, but I bought the add-on that I could have gotten instead of the Fenty. But you know, teach your own, teach your own. I still got the items that I wanted, so teach your own. This is an item that they chose for me. This is Juice Beauty SPF 30 oil-free moisturizer. I need SPF, and I'm so happy I got this, especially I'm about to go to the beach again with my mom and my best friend and my boyfriend. She's probably finally gonna meet my boyfriend, so I'm so excited. And I need SPF. So I am so excited to get some SPF. I'm so excited to get some sunscreen and my moisturizer, and my face is not gonna be like darker than the rest of my body. Even though it kind of is a little bit, but you know, it is what it is. This actually retails for $30. $30, not so bad for a moisturizer, and it has 2 fluid ounces, not 1 fluid ounces or 1.5 fluid ounces. It's 2 fluid ounces. That's not bad. Okay, and then the last product is from Hip Dot. Out of all the palettes, this is like the slide off, and then this is the palette. Out of all the palettes that was available this month, I was ecstatic when I saw that I got this. This retails for $18. This is just a face palette. It has a mirror too. That's so nice. Ooh, that blush, that highlight. Oh, that rose gold highlight, and then like that icy rose highlight, and then that icy highlight. Ooh, and then that pinkish blush. I love all of this. I love all of this. These are the shades swatched. Okay, that pink blush is pinkier than I thought. That rosy icy shade is actually more champagne-y than I thought, but that rose gold is amazing, and that icy shade is a little crazy. Okay, but I can make it work. 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 Anyways, here are the items that I got in the add-ons. I got the Item Beauty Brow Chow. It was a bunch of times I could have gotten this in my Glam bag, but I never got it. Like, so many times, but I never got the Item Beauty one or the concealer or anything. Like, nothing from Item Beauty. So I always wanted to try the brow chow, so I was like, you know what, let me just get it. It was $3. And then this is the item that was supposed to be either this or the Fenty, and I chose Fenty because it was Fenty, but I should have chosen the Tarte Jelly Glaze. The overall total of my bag is $121.99, so it's over $120. Was this bag worth it? Ooh, that brow product is definitely gonna work for me. I'm excited. I'm mad that they didn't show me this until now. Like, that's crazy. I'm about to buy another one on add-ons if add-ons are still available. But was this bag worth it? Yeah, it kind of was. Okay, these two products I thought I was gonna be amazed of, but these three products I really do love. Okay, like 1, 2. I will use this. I will only use it with brown liner, but I can't because I can't use it by itself. But I would definitely use it, and I would definitely use this. I would have to use some of the products like maneuver it, but I definitely would use both of these. These I don't have to like maneuver with anything like even the lip gloss. Like, I love this. So it's like 3 out of 5 products I love, and 2 out of the 5 products I like. There's no dislike of anything. And I really do like that. So this bag was totally worth it. And this made my birthday month Ipsy Glam bag plus Ipsy regular bag. It made my Ipsy it made my glam bag. It made my birthday month. It's just amazing. Thank you, Ipsy. I love this. I mean, of course, they didn't give this to me. I bought this with my own money, but it is what it is. By the way, if you like these unboxings, I am getting rid of some of my boxes. I'm getting either rid of the Glam Bag Plus or I'm getting rid of a BoxyCharm. I don't know which one yet, but one of them I have to get rid of because financially everything is cutting short. I don't even know if I'm going to do mystery boxes anymore. A lot of stuff has been going on, especially with my house. Anyways, thank you for watching this video, and bye, you guys. Mwah. Deuces. Video right here, head right here. Go check my videos out. Wagging finger.